Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the clearance deals, the new deals. Well, actually some of these are older, some of these are newer. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And look at this plywood, it keeps going up, $47.50. It's double the cost last time I bought one. So it is going up and it's not going to go down anymore. It just keeps going, climbing. $2.99 for the vacuum, the backpack vacuum there. Now, these are the older deals. I believe these are going to go away and some new ones are going to be here. We got a sneak peek of the newer deals here. That's the battery and charger for $99. I believe that's M12. Yeah, guys, this is a sneak peek of the new ones. It seems like we got a 2-tool combo kit there, and then a 3-tool combo kit with the angle grinder, and then like a 6-tool combo kit at the bottom. And then we got a 2-tool combo kit to the right, and a battery deal, and it looks like 2 batteries there. So I did do a video on those, on a little bit more detail on those. Let's see if I can link it up above for you guys, so you guys will get a little better of the picture of the prices and the tools that they are. These are just the prices that I saw today at the store. When this video goes live, it may change because of the new deals and the new month already coming up. So keep in mind that. So that's the high torque impact wrench for $2.99. It's a really nice impact wrench. I do have it. Works really good. There's nothing that thing can't break loose. So $1.99 for the saw kit there. I believe. Hold on, I think it was on the wrong side there. We got this on clearance here, the Makita. This is the XPH07Z 135. It's on clearance, so definitely check it out if that's something that you want to look into. I know the new Makita deals are coming up. I did get some pictures thanks to Stan the Man. I haven't had a chance to upload them yet, but there's new Makita deals coming up later this, or actually this month. $128 for the subcompact kit was regular price, $159. Some compacts are the black ones. Just remember, those are the black ones down there. Now we got this 100 feet red 3-point laser, $119 from Bosch. It was regular price, $159. So you guys see it's a level, 100 feet. And then this is the older. I don't know if this is going to go away or not. But this is the one that they had, the buy more, save more. You got impact driver for $199 with it looks like a 5. Impact driver, drill driver for $149. You got the circular saw right there to the right for $129. And then down at the bottom you got the radio for $149. You got the impact driver, drill driver for $299. And then you got the tower light, $119 from DeWalt. And then 35 pieces there for $15.97. So really nice. It does have that sleeve. I really like that sleeve from DeWalt. The bits, they've been okay. I haven't tried the max fits, all the newer max fits yet. Here's a clearance section here. $129 for the circuit saw, 7¼ corded. And then you got a subcompact flashlight, $39.97. Like I said, make sure you guys check your Home Depots on these prices, because sometimes they go down even lower than these. You got impact driver, drill driver, $139 rigid. Got the Joby 15-gauge angled finish nailer for $199. Was regular price $219. Like I said, make sure you guys check them out, because sometimes these prices drop. You guys look at the dates on these things. They're over a month old sometimes, and they haven't updated the price. I'm not really interested on these prices, on these tools, I mean. That's why I didn't, check every price, but definitely check them out if that's a tool that you're looking for. You might find a crazy killer deal there. So definitely check it out. And they have this light for $18. It's like it's not a light, it's like a speaker, like a portable speaker. And then they have some screws there, $53. And another one for $41 there. And then they have this, the super saw. This is the second store I see that they have this super saw in the clearance section. Make sure you guys go by your clearance section and check them out. If you guys want to get something like that in a deal, always check them out. Like I said, I'm running short on cash. That's why I haven't checked, and I don't want to know if these are cheaper, because I end up probably spending more than what I have to, spend on my budget here for the month. You got the, what is that, the jigsaw there, Joby brushless jigsaw. It's not $18. That's in the wrong section. But it is on clearance, on the clearance section, but it's not $18. Check this out: 22 reach height, 22 feet for $149. Check this one out. This one's 1 feet more and it's $299. So it's double the price. Be sure to check it out. This is a killer smoking deal. Pick it up if you see one. I already have one, so otherwise I would have just picked it up. I know that some of these guys were $99 on the Black Friday, but who knows if we're gonna see that again. But at $149, that's a really good deal. Let's check out this one. This one's 18 feet in height, and it's $199. It's $50 more. It's 300 capacity, so that $150, it's really good. You got a silent air compressor here for $65. What's $129. And then here's the pack out section. I did see this. That's the new large toolbox pack out from Israel. That's 27.6 pounds. Large toolbox. This is a new toolbox from Milwaukee pack out. That's the only one they had. I don't know if there was like an online order or anything, but that's the only box they had. And then they had this is the mounting plate for $29.97. If you need to mount it on the truck or the toolbox or the trailer, whatnot, you can mount that up. And then you got the smaller toolbox here, the medium, for $39.97. And then you got the cooler there for $99.99. $59.97 for the job site organizer. It's a really nice organizer. I wish they dropped the price. Then they got this toolbox here for $59.97. Then they got the bottom toolbox, the rolling toolbox, for $129. I really like the pack out. It's really nice. And here's the ladders again. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. I got more videos coming up. Hopefully some more versus videos from the Flex and other tools. I know you guys are probably tired of hearing the Flex this and Flex that, but I'm probably gonna put in. I'm also expecting the Makita 40 volt tool, so be expecting it next week. Be expecting those videos next week. They should be arriving soon. The new Makita XGT 40 volts. So stay tuned for those videos, those versus videos with the Flex and with DeWalt and other tools. So be sure hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.